Here we are, it's February 2nd, 2011, and this is the morning, or the day, after Blizzard 2011 has hit us. About a record snowfall of, I think 20, almost 21 inches. I haven't opened the garage yet, so we'll see how that goes. If the garage door will even open, but I'm kind of afraid to see what it looks like out there. So, alright, let's see. Come on, baby. I got my snowblower ready to go. Here we go. Come on, garage door, open up. Looking good. Get you guys a closer look. This is nuts. So this is the aftermath from last night. 50 mile an hour, actually I think there was records of 58 mile an hour winds. And this is the task that I have before me today, making it so that we can actually get out of the house. I'm glad I got gas for the snowblower. Over here, there, that's our front door. That's at least a 4-foot drift that I'm gonna have to kind of move from point A to point B. You know, this is nice. As you can see, everything's white. Nobody's on the roads. Ridiculous. It's supposed to get bitter cold tonight. At least it's fluffy. That's my neighbor's house. Right there. The drift going right up to the side of his house. Looks like my neighbor's already got his work done. I'm going to see if I can get out at least to kind of help her out a little bit. She's got a shovel going on over there. But, boy, I would not like to be stuck with a shovel today. Whew! This is the backyard. Holy crap. Let's just say I'm glad I don't have a dog anymore to have to shovel out some space for him to get out. Man, oh, there goes my scarf. Look at that, that's like perfect fort building drifts. We'll have to get into those later. My God, I'm glad I don't have to shovel the backyard. Alright, just to get an idea, here I'll show you. This is the problem I got going on here. Ready? Higher than my snowblower. That's not going to be good.
Look at this. Blizzard 2011. Can't help them with the neighbors. Griffin! Griffin! Help me! I've fallen! I'm stuck!